Hi there! Today we're exploring Kenton, which is in North Portland, and this is the commercial center, the historic Kenton district. It was actually started by the Swift Meatpacking Company way back in 1910 as a company town. You've got everything you could possibly want here. Paul Bunyan statue, golf course, and of course, amazing bars and restaurants. Let's go check it out. If you want to grab an awesome bite to eat, Swifton Union is a fantastic restaurant on the main drag in Kenton. Go check it out. One of my favorite Sunday afternoon pastimes is strolling through antique stores, and you'll find plenty here in Kenton. If you're looking for meat sweats, Posies is the place to get it. They have amazing barbecue. Definitely check it out. One of my favorite movies is National Treasure, and if you can remember the complex plot line, it involves Freemasons, which are hearkened to in this amazing building across the street from me. So let's go see if we can find any clues to a hidden treasure, perhaps in a big book. My God, we found this big book. I'm not sure what it means, but maybe if Nicolas Cage moves to Portland, we'll find out. If you're looking for a little afternoon pick-me-up, coffee and a pastry at Posies is awesome. Or if you need a little something for the audiophile in your life, check out Spec. Kenton Station is tucked into the old Kenton Hotel. The owner of this place, James, is a sweetheart. He's been here for 20 years. You should definitely check this place out. I have no idea what Paul Bunyan has to do with the Oregon Centennial celebrations, but he ended up as his home here in 1959. At the Victorian Bell Mansion, and my gosh, this place is so cool. I've driven by it so many times and wondered, what is that? Turns out it was a gift to a young bride from David Cole in the 1880s. Yeah, that's quite a gift, right? One of the cool things about Kenton is it's connected to downtown. 15-minute ride on the yellow Max line. Here we are in front of the Kenton Club, which is a great place to get a cheap drink and see a good show. The houses in Kenton have a great mix of new and old. And we're standing in this amazing Kenton Park. So if you want to make Kenton your home, just reach out. I'd love to help.